Day 4.
Here are a list of things I expect men to pay for if we're dating. Number one, all dates. And I don't mean dinner dates. I mean kayaking, snorkeling, going to theme parks, ziplining, etc. I expect the man to pay for all that. Number two, my nails. I get my nails done roughly once a month. That's pretty good for me, so I expect him to pay that. Number three, my hair. I just feel like as your girl, I should just not walk around with my hair looking crazy, and you should pay for it.
She has that standards.
Number four, gas. I just think that that's just like the masculine thing to do is to make sure that my gas is always on full. Number five, wax. I feel like that's pretty much self-explanatory. Like you should just pay for my wax. Yeah.
Here we go.
Number six, my electric bill. Chances are, if we're dating, you're probably gonna spend a lot of time on my.